Welcome to this exciting session where we dive into your niche or business. We assume that you are new in this business and you are trying to find a niche to start your online business. Let's uncover ways to define your niche, stand out, and attract your ideal audience. Let's face it, trying to please everyone is a recipe for burnout. It's like being the go-to coffee shop for child lovers, specific, irresistible, and memorable. The more you define your niche, the more likely you will attract people who really need what you offer. So just ask yourself, how do you find your niche? There are three things you need to understand. One is passionate. What are you passionate about? Think about what excites you every day. Second, what problems can you solve? This is where your skills and expertise shine. Third, who is your ideal audience? Picture their needs, interests, and challenges. Combine these answers and you will have a niche that feels authentic and profitable. Got any idea? No? Okay. Let's get started using AI to study the niche. Let's say you want to work on AI tools. You will make money through promoting AI tools through their affiliate program. So let's get some idea. Let's see how they actually answers. AI tools ideas is a big industry. There are lots of ideas, right? Business and productivity, then education and training, healthcare, marketing and SEO, e-commerce, art and design, lifestyle. So these are the different categories. You have to choose a single one. Let's start with the marketing and SEO. Give me 10 marketing and SEO. Yeah, list. Okay. So you got idea? Keyword research tool, then content gap analysis, SEO audit tool, then meta tag, predictive traffic, AI content brief, local SEO enhancer. So I'm asking again, can you give me some creative AI tools for marketing? So I'm expanding the areas. AI visual content, dynamic video ad maker. So there are lots of tools in the market. We just have to find the list. Just brainstorm your ideas, put the main idea over here and expand it um, using the ChatGPT. Let's validate this idea. Let's go to the Google Trends. Uh, let's click on the Explore. I'll put AI tool over here and definitely search term. Okay, and see the trends over the 12 months or 5 years in the United States or in your preferred country. Okay, so let's see in the 5 years. Yeah, definitely it's booming after the COVID. Definitely, and definitely in the United States and nurse, especially 90 days. Yeah, the average more than 80. The index more than 80 is fine. This niche is perfectly fine. We can just work on it. Okay. So just think about your passionate area and get more ideas using ChatGPT. Just ask to ChatGPT about different ideas based on your idea, and you will find lots of ideas. I'm quite sure. And when you just think about an idea, just put this idea or keyword in the Google Trends to see the interest over time. And these are topic actually. Okay. And we just see some tools over here. Quillbot is a tool. So we can just make a video on Quillbot and promote their affiliate program. Just it's a breakout. Breakout means when a topic got 5,000 growth, that called breakout in the Google Trends. Then another tool is unpredictable.ai, almost 3,000%. It's a huge. So over the time, it got breakout. Also Gemini, and you can see top tools also. paraphrase concept. So we can find all the tools about paraphrase. Let's say paraphrase AI tool list. Over here, we're just getting some ideas, but we can get this list from Google. Just search over here, and here's the tool list. So Quillbot, we already uh, seen this tool in the Google Trends. Let's check their affiliate program because we'll do affiliate program at the last, and they have the affiliate. Yeah, we can promote their tool, and we'll receive 10% to 20% commission. Hope you get my point. Just research your topic, validate it, and good to go. In the next video, I'll show you a roadmap. How can we find viral videos, repurpose them, edit them based on different audio or different script, make them more creative and original, and upload to our expected platform like Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, add our affiliate link. So I'll show you everything in the upcoming videos. Hope you get an idea. Now practice yourself and try to find out your niche. Thanks for watching, and also in the next video.